Every cotton thread begins with careful seed selection and controlled cultivation.
Root development looks strong on this sample.
Rich southern soil provides the foundation for strong cotton growth.
Moisture is right where we need it.
Precise irrigation keeps cotton plants healthy through demanding summer heat.
Zone 4 pressure is holding steady.
Veteran growers inspect plant development before the flowering stage begins.
The bud spacing looks consistent across this row.
Cotton blossoms change color as each fertile bloom matures naturally.
This bloom entered its second stage today.
Mature cotton fields stretch across acres under warm afternoon sunlight. Growth looks uniform all the way to the boundary.
Each cotton boll protects thousands of delicate fibers around its seeds. This boll is developing exactly on schedule.
Microscopic fiber twists determine how strongly cotton can be spun.
The twist pattern is consistent across this sample.
Natural waxes coat raw fibers before industrial cleaning removes impurities.
This residue is normal before the cleaning process.
Fiber length directly influences fabric strength, smoothness, and final value.
This longer staple should produce a smoother yarn.
Healthy bolls open gradually as dry weather prepares harvest conditions.
Moisture is dropping into the harvest range. Bright white lint signals mature cotton ready for careful collection. The color is clean and the locks are fully open.
Field moisture levels must drop before mechanical harvesting can begin.
The field will be ready by tomorrow morning.
Experienced pickers remove sample bolls to verify fiber maturity by hand.
The seeds are firm and the lint separates cleanly.
Rotating spindles gently pull cotton fibers free from open bolls.
The row alignment looks good from here.
Onboard baskets compress harvested cotton before unloading into field modules.
Basket level is approaching the unloading point.
Workers inspect collected cotton for leaves, stems, and excess moisture.
Foreign material remains within the acceptable field range.
Freshly harvested cotton begins its journey toward large-scale textile production. Compaction is even. Prepare the cover for transport. Collected cotton is weighed and labeled before leaving each harvested field.
Module 24 is recorded and ready for pickup.
Module builders compress loose cotton into stable blocks for efficient handling.
Pressure is balanced across the entire module.
Field crews document every module to preserve complete production traceability.
The field record matches the sample and module tag.
Quality samples review moisture, cleanliness, and fiber condition before transportation.
Moisture remains safely within the transport limit.
Specialized trucks lift entire cotton modules without disturbing compacted fibers.
Alignment is good. Begin loading at minimum speed.
Steel chain beds draw heavy modules smoothly onto transport vehicles.
Center the load 2 inches toward the driver's side.
Strong restraints keep each module stable throughout the highway journey.
Both restraints meet the required transport tension.
Drivers monitor load stability throughout every mile of cotton transportation.
Module 24 is approaching the processing district now.
Every arriving module receives identity verification before entering the processing complex. Module 24 is cleared for receiving Bay 3.
Industrial scales record precise cotton weights before unloading operations begin.
Gross weight is confirmed and entered into receiving. Transport vehicles align precisely before automated module unloading begins safely. Hold position. Alignment is confirmed for unloading.
Receiving chains transfer cotton modules from trucks onto controlled processing decks.
The module is centered and fully supported.
Net weight calculations confirm exactly how much raw cotton arrived.
Net weight matches the expected field yield. Inspectors expose each module to examine cotton condition before processing.
The surface is uniform with no visible water damage.
Core samples reveal hidden moisture and impurities inside compressed cotton modules.
The core sample is sealed for immediate analysis.
Proved cotton enters opening equipment for its first industrial processing stage.
Lot 24 is released to the opening line. Opening heads tease compacted cotton apart into manageable fiber tufts.
Maintain a steady depth across the module face.
Coarse cleaners remove heavy plant fragments before finer processing begin. Trash removal is stable without excessive fiber loss. Powerful airflow separates light leaves and dust from valuable fibers. Air balance is holding across the separation chamber. Magnetic traps capture metal debris before it can damage machinery. The magnet captured several sharp fragments from this lot.
Controlled moisture restores fiber flexibility and reduces processing breakage rates.
Moisture has reached the ideal conditioning range. Gin saws separate cotton lint cleanly from embedded mature seeds. Fiber separation remains clean across every gin stand.
Lint cleaners remove remaining trash while preserving valuable staple length.
The fibers remain long despite the additional cleaning. Separated cottonseed becomes useful feedstock for oil and agricultural products. This clean seed lot is suitable for oil processing. Hydraulic presses compress cleaned lint into dense, standardized cotton bales. Target density is achieved across the entire bale. Every finished bale receives identification for complete supply chain traceability. The bale record matches its weight and fiber grade.
Automated bale openers begin blending cotton from multiple approved sources.
Blend sequence is correct for today's yarn specification.
Blending equalizes natural fiber differences before spinning preparation begins smoothly.
Source percentages are balanced across the entire blend. Blowroom beaters loosen fiber tufts while extracting residual dust particles. The tufts are opening evenly without visible fiber damage. Optical sensors identify colored contamination hidden among clean white cotton.
Blue synthetic fiber detected in the center stream.
Chute feed systems deliver uniform cotton layers into each card. Layer height is even across the full feed width. Carding cylinders align tangled fibers and remove remaining microscopic impurities.
The card is producing excellent fiber separation today. Carding converts loose cotton into a continuous soft fiber web. Web density remains uniform from edge to edge.
Condensers gather delicate fiber webs into rounded, continuous sliver strands. The sliver is smooth, cohesive, and evenly weighted. Drawing frames combine slivers to improve consistency and fiber alignment.
All 8 feeds are combining at equal tension. Second pass drawing further evens sliver thickness and strengthens fiber alignment.
The second pass is holding excellent weight consistency.
Lap formers create uniform fiber sheets for precise combing operations.
Lap edges are even and ready for combing.
Combing removes short fibers while aligning longer cotton staples precisely. Long staple retention remains within the premium target range.
Clean combed sliver creates smoother, stronger yarn for premium fabrics.
This sliver shows excellent length and very low NEP content.
Roving frames gently reduce sliver thickness before final spinning begins.
All feeds are centered and drafting evenly now. A slight twist gives roving enough strength for controlled handling.
Twist remains low, but strong enough for transport.
Uniform roving packages ensure steady feeding throughout high-speed ring spinning.
Package shape is corrected and winding evenly again.
Automated bobbin changes keep roving production moving without unnecessary interruptions. Doffing is complete with every roving end preserved. Travelers control yarn twist as rapidly rotating spindles build packages.
Twist and package build are both running smoothly. Coordinated spindle rows produce enormous volumes of fine cotton yarn.
Efficiency remains above 96% across this frame.
Sensors detect broken yarn instantly and alert experienced machine operators.
Position 2A-4 has a clean, repairable break. Automatic piecing reconnects broken ends while preserving consistent yarn quality.
The repaired joint is smooth and within specification.
Conditioning stabilizes spun yarn moisture before winding and later processing. Moisture is balanced throughout the full package depth. Winding machines clear defect and build uniform high-capacity yarn packages.
Cone density is uniform from base to shoulder.
Electronic clearers remove thick places, thin places, and foreign fibers. This thick place exceeded the programmed clearing limit. Precision splicers join yarn ends without bulky knots or weaknesses.
The splice is smooth enough for high-speed weaving.
Finished yarn cones receive labels linking every package to production data. Package weight and density meet the weaving specification.
The warp sheet is aligned and ready for weaving.
Prepared warp enters the loom as weaving production officially begins.
Thousands of warp ends interlace with filling yarn to create fabric.
Warp tension is balanced across the full weaving width. Air jets propel filling yarn rapidly across every open warp shed.
Pick arrival is centered with no trailing loop. Petals separate warp threads while reeds pack each pick firmly.
The shed opens cleanly across every harness frame. Continuous take-up systems roll newly woven cloth at controlled tension. The cloth roll is building evenly across both edges.
Finished graze rolls leave weaving for detailed examination and grading.
Loom 12 roll is identified and ready for inspection.
Illuminated frames reveal weaving defects invisible under ordinary factory lighting. Mark this small slub at 28 yards.
Inspectors document broken warp ends before fabric moves into finishing. One warp end is missing across this short section.
Density measurements expose filling bars caused by uneven loom movement.
This filling bar crosses the complete fabric width. Laser sensors verify fabric width and monitor both woven selvages.
Width variation remains inside the approved manufacturing tolerance.
Fabric weight confirms whether yarn density remains consistent across production. Center and edge weights are closely matched.
Thread counts verify the exact construction of every woven cotton lot. Warp and filling counts match the approved construction.
Digital maps combine every observed defect into one final roll grade.
This roll qualifies provisionally as first-grade material.
Special lighting exposes oil marks and hidden surface contamination clearly. This lubricant trace requires removal before finishing.
Experienced hands assess fabric drape, texture, softness, and surface uniformity.
The handle is even across the entire sample.
Defective sections are removed before approved fabric enters laboratory testing.
The marked section is removed with clean square edges.
Tensile testing measures how much pulling force woven cotton withstands.
Breaking force exceeds the minimum requirement for this construction.
Abrasion tests simulate repeated wear across finished cotton fabric surfaces. The weave remains stable after the required abrasion cycles. Standard washing tests predict fabric shrinkage during normal consumer care.
Length and width shrinkage remain within the approved limits.
Tear and seam tests confirm fabric durability during garment construction. Both tear strength and seam stability exceed requirements. Laboratory results determine whether each fabric roll advances into finishing.
All required tests pass. Release this roll for refinement.
Singeing flames remove protruding fibers and create a cleaner fabric surface.
The surface is clean with no visible scorching.
Scouring washes away natural waxes, oils, and processing residues completely. Absorbency is improving evenly across the full width.
Bleaching removes natural color while preserving cotton strength and absorbency.
Whiteness is uniform with no over-processed areas. Mercerization improves cotton luster, strength, dye uptake, and dimensional stability.
Both selvages remain secure at the programmed width.
Controlled dyeing gives fabric uniform color across its entire width.
Shade remains centered and uniform across the fabric.
Denter frames dry fabric while controlling width and final alignment.
Finished width is stable from selvage to selvage.
Calendar rollers smooth fabric surfaces and refine the finished appearance.
Surface smoothness improved without making the cloth overly stiff.
Mercerizing mechanically controls shrinkage before fabric reaches final inspection.
Residual shrinkage is now within the customer specification.
Final inspectors verify color, width, handle, and finishing consistency carefully. Shade and finish remain consistent across this entire section.
Automated scanners detect remaining defects across every finished fabric roll.
The marked particle was removable and not a fabric defect.
Accurate measuring systems record every yard before commercial roll preparation.
The first roll has reached its exact ordered length.
Precision cutters create clean roll edges for professional customer presentation.
The cut is straight and both corners are square.
Fabric rolls receive protective cores matched to each product specification.
This reinforced core matches the customer's roll requirement. Controlled winding builds firm, even rolls without wrinkles or telescoping. Both roll edges remain perfectly aligned and stable.
Each fabric roll receives traceable labels with complete production information.
External and internal roll labels match the master record.
Protective wrapping keeps finished cotton clean during storage and shipping.
Coverage is complete with no exposed fabric surface.
End caps shield roll edges from compression, moisture, and abrasion.
Both ends are protected without compressing the fabric.
Boxing stations prepare selected fabric rolls for secure customer delivery. Roll and carton identifiers match the customer order. Palletizing organizes packaged rolls into stable, efficient warehouse loads.
Weight is balanced and every roll remains accessible.
Final load checks confirm labels, quantities, and packaging integrity completely. All quantities and packaging checks are fully approved.
Warehouse teams scan completed pallets before assigning secure storage locations. All 12 rolls are confirmed for aisle C.
Automated wrapping reinforces pallet loads during long-term warehouse storage operations.
Protection is complete without excessive package pressure.
Inventory systems connect every pallet with its exact customer order.
This pallet completes the customer's navy fabric allocation. Dock staging organizes finished fabric according to shipment priority and destination. Move this completed order into tomorrow's priority lane.
Final warehouse preparation protects rolls before extended storage or transport. Package condition is fully approved for long-term storage.
High bay racking maximizes storage capacity while maintaining package accessibility safely. The pallet is centered with safe clearance on both sides.
Warehouse scanners track every movement and update inventory records instantly.
Transfer complete, the inventory location updated correctly.
Automated vehicles move heavy fabric pallets through designated warehouse aisles.
Route clearance is confirmed through the shipping corridor.
Routine inspections protect stored rolls from moisture, compression, and contamination.
Packaging remains dry, stable, and completely intact. Order picking teams verify roll identities before releasing customer shipments accurately. All 6 roll numbers match the customer order.
Warehouse consolidation combines multiple fabric lots into complete customer orders.
All 3 pallets now complete the shipment.
Forklift operators load pallets according to balanced weight distribution plans.
Place this pallet against the forward position marker.
Load restraints prevent movement and protect fabric throughout highway transportation.
The load is secure without compressing any roll edges.
The trailer contents match the complete shipping manifest.
Electronic manifests confirm every pallet, roll, destination, and delivery schedule.
Sealed trailers depart the textile mill after complete security inspection.
Seal verified. This shipment is cleared for departure.
Regional distribution centers receive fabric and verify shipment condition immediately.
Seal and package condition are both fully satisfactory.
Commercial customers inspect delivered rolls before accepting final transfer documentation.
Shade, quantity, and package condition all match our order.